Imagine a weekend where adults reconnect with nature, rediscover joy, and recharge in a community of like minded adventurers. Welcome to Thunderbird Ridge, the ultimate summer camp experience designed for adults who crave fun, relaxation, and inspiration. Our business brings the nostalgia of childhood summer camp into a grown up world. At Thunderbird Ridge, we offer a unique blend of outdoor adventures, creative workshops, and social gatherings, all in a beautiful natural setting. Think kayaking and yoga by day, and live music and themed dinners by night. Adults are often overworked and overwhelmed, with few opportunities to unplug and reconnect with themselves and others. Our solution? A long weekend getaway where our guests can leave behind the hustle and immerse themselves in activities that foster joy, creativity, and human connection. It's perfect for busy adults over 21 who are looking for a unique way to recharge and connect. They value experiences over material things and appreciate a good mix of adventure and relaxation. Our site is located at Camp Virgil Tate, offering comfortable cabins, delicious meals, and shared cabin space that brings you back to the good old days. Our website makes it easy to learn more and register. Ready to unplug and reconnect? Join us this summer at Thunderbird Ridge and make memories you'll never forget. Visit thunderbirdridgewv.com to learn more and reserve your spot today.